Weebly website builder complete tutorial for beginners. Hello guys, my name is Led and today I'm gonna show you how to create your own website on weebly.com. It may sound complicated, but in fact it's really easy to do, and in a few minutes I will show you how to do it. First of all, you need to create an account or log into your account on weebly.com. Feel free to create your account because it's completely free and free forever. You can easily create your account. You just need to use your email and create a suitable password. Next, when you're ready, you will be redirected to this page and you will need to choose what kind of website would you like to create. You can have just a website, or you can have a website with an online store. So guys, it depends completely on you. If you do need the online store on your website, so basically you'll need to choose this one. If you don't, just choose this one, very easy. Just for an example, for this video I'm gonna choose just need a website. Not a very big difference, guys. If you really need the online store on your website, don't afraid to choose online store. I'll show basics how to use this website, and if you need the online store, you can handle it anyway. So now you'll need to select a theme. Theme is a kind of template, you know, in this website. So you can choose a business theme or portfolio or personal or event or blog or coming soon or other. So just choose whatever you need here. Maybe you are creating business website. Maybe you are creating blog website, I don't know. So just for this video I'm gonna choose for example this one. The basics are using the site are still the same. So you need to click this button, start editing. When you're done choosing a theme, you can preview this theme and then start edit. So now you need to select your domain name, www dot, for example, let's website.com. And you can check, is it available, is this domain available or not. Or if you already have your domain, you can transfer it. It's very easy. You can search, and as you can see, vladswebsite.com unavailable, so we'll need to choose another one. For example, vladswebsite.org is fine, or vladswebsite.restaurant. So when you're chose your domain, for example this one, you'll be redirected to another page to upgrade your account page. So you can have personal, professional, or performance, or premium subscription. So every plan is different and has another features. You can click this button, show more feature, and compare features, and choose the plan that you think is the best for you. For example, personal one doesn't have free domain, and this is very bad. So I recommend you to start at least with professional. Only $12 per month. It's very cheap in my opinion. So, but also guys, you can have a free domain. I'll show you it right now, 1 second. So here it is, subdomain vladwebsite.weebly.com. You can use it for free, free with Weebly branding on your website. So basically, if you are making a website, for example, for your business, uh, it's really bad to have weebly.com for your business website, and I really recommend you to have an upgrade, to have a nice professional domain, not this weebly.com. But if you are making, for example, a project for school website for your school homework, I don't know, or if you are making site for fun, or you are making, for example, site for your wedding, and you don't really need to have a professional domain, you can choose this one, free domain, and no problem, it will be completely free. So, guys, you need to choose for yourself, you know. I'm gonna choose this one because I don't really need the website, I'm just making video for you, tutorial. So let's begin edit. uh, Basically how this site works, for example, you need to edit text, so you just select this text, you just point this element by your mouse, for example this text, and you can have such options as a drag button, you can drag your text, or for example this cross button, you can delete this text, or you can just select this text and for example delete it and write whatever you want, for example welcome to let's website, and now you can edit this text how you want, change fonts and change colors, very easy, link this text to everything you want, change this one, whatever you want, you can undo or redo. So basically, for example, if you want to change this background, also point this background by your mouse and or just click to this background and you'll have this button, edit background, just click to this button and you'll be able to, for example, replace this picture, replace this background, or edit it, or you can simply delete this background. And the same about buttons, the same about image, just click on this image and you can edit it, replace it, or point it and you'll have this button drag. Loading. Okay, so I think you got the same the important idea how to work with this site, the main basics. So next one, how to add something, for example title, text, image, button, section, whatever you want. This one, this page build, you can add whatever you want, you can add title, you can add text, you need to drag it. For example, you want to add a text here, just drag it here, and now you can edit this text, you can write whatever you want. And the same about image, the same about title, gallery, map, whatever, section, kind of new one, so you can have a new section like this. You can choose section layout, either gallery or contact or menu or whatever you want. For example, gallery, you would like to have gallery section on your website, for example, to show your work, you know, showcase your work or project, whatever. Just choose a layout, save it, and anyway you can edit it if you don't like it, very easy. You'll need just to delete this one, work with this text, So this is how you add something new on your website. Next, pages. You can check the pages that you're having on your website. You can see we are having home, menu, and about, and locations page. So we can, for example, delete some of them. This is delete button. Or we can, for example, rename it. Or add a new page here. You can see we have a standard page, blog page, category page, product page, external page. So very easy to work with pages. Next one, we have theme. So here you can change the design of your website. You can change theme, fonts, theme options like dark theme or light. Now we have dark theme. So I think you got it. We already chose a theme previously, so doesn't really matter now. We can change fonts. You can see this kind of big menu, big options, big amount of options, I mean. So next one, apps, app center. You can add apps to make your site and business more powerful. For example, you can add the boost traffic app or spike sales or become social media machine with these apps. Recommended apps, site booster, printful, promote forms, market guru. So this is topic for another video. I'm not gonna show you it right now. So basically, I think I showed you enough. I showed you basics, how to use this website, how to create your website, how to edit some stuff on your website. Uh, and when you're done editing your website, you can publish it. Just click this blue button and you will be able to publish your website so anyone can see it. Website published already. We can use this link, for example, right now. Search this link. Wait a little bit. And now you can already see this website that we recently did. You can see this website is in a dark theme because we chose dark theme. You can see this the Go Anywhere monk that we add this section, and welcome to Let's website. So basically in one click I published the whole website, and I did it without any pay, very just completely free. But we have this weebly.com in this domain. So as I already said, if you are making a business website for your real business, basically you'll need to upgrade your account, but simple plans, simple prices, only pay for what you really need. So basically I think I showed you enough. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to my channel and see you soon, guys. Goodbye.